Click subscribe now below. Today we're going to be unboxing Barbie You Can Be Anything Cake Bakery set. So this comes with a countertop for the register as well as the oven to make the cakes in. And there's Barbie. She's got some hot pink hair and some hot pink shoes to match, along with her bakery outfit and apron. So let's take a look at what this bakery comes with. There we go. We've got the register, cupcake, some cookies, the little cake stand, the oven, and we have a choice of small or large cakes, and some shelves to put the decorations on. Then you've got the cake display shelf right here so you can display your gorgeous cakes after. All right, let's pull out the dough. Get to making some cakes. So there's a pink and a teal. I find that the teal is actually more of a blue with this one. And now let's take a look at the little accessories. We've got the icing piping bag, and there's a heart press on the bottom. Sorry, you can't see it very well. And we've got the cake server. Serve pieces of cake, cut it. And oh, look, we can make some little cupcakes. How cute. Put those down there. Oh, and we've got some cake decorations. These stick right into the cake for a birthday cake or a baby shower, whatever your Barbie's celebrating. So now we're gonna get to making a couple cakes here so you can see how it works. All right, this is going to be where we put the dough into. Tear off a big piece for the big cake here and push it in. Now we're going to do the pink dough for the smaller cake, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the same way. I recommend smoothing the top. I did not do that, and the tops of the cakes came out a little lumpy, but you can always decorate over it if it comes out a little lumpy. It's no big deal. All right, so we put them back in the oven and then pull down on the lever next to it very slowly, and the cakes start to rise. Here they come. Ooh, yum. Smells good in here. Okay, these cakes look like they're ready for decorating. Let's open up the door. Take out those tasty cakes from the oven. And then we can put them onto the cake stand. The cake stand spins so we can decorate all the sides of it. All right, let's try out the little heart stamp. Oh, look how cute. And let's put some flowers in the side of it. There we go, 3 little flowers. And that's just an easy, simple cake. All right, now let's go to the blue one. What are we gonna do with this one? I think I'm gonna use the rainbow topper. Ooh, I love that one. And I'm going to take some pink dough and decorate it with some pink dough as well. Make some little dots all over it. That'll look like a really pretty, bright birthday cake. All right, and Barbie's Bakery is ready for business. Hello, how can I help you? What type of cake are you looking for today? We've got this beautiful blue rainbow one, and we've got this pink one with flowers on it. I can also make you something custom.